How to set the USB mix minus. When using the P4 as an audio interface, you can use this setting to prevent feedback for someone using a connected device. Press the menu button, which is located here, and use the up and down to select settings, and press enter. And then use up and down to select USB mix minus, and then press enter again. And then use the up and down buttons to make your preference and press the enter button to confirm. So you can either have it on or off, and then press the enter button to confirm, and then press the menu button to return to the home screen. If you have the setting off, sound from the USB input is also output via USB. If you have the setting on, sound from the USB input is not output via the USB. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. Check out the description for all our other tutorials.